This was our first place. It's called, it's a weird name actually, I just realized. It's called Bible and Sip Bakery Cafe. It's very small, so yeah, we're gonna get some different looking foods, different looking sets, and we'll let you know. It might be very loud.
Oh no, they both sound good.
How exciting, we got everything. So just gonna sit down and see everything what's inside. I like the packaging. Ooh, so cute, look at that. This one's got some mirror glaze on there and some spiderweb technique. Flori, do you want to open this one?
I'm going to open up the cream puffs.
Yeah, let's have a look.
These are...
We ordered a lot.
Check this out.
Ooh, Earl Grey and cookies and cream, nice. And then here, this is the black sesame macaron. Just want to show you how cute this is. Oh, is that the one that she recommended? Yeah. This one? Oh, actually, let's try this one first because the chocolate will be overpowering.
Try and do this.
Yeah. Or maybe take the cap off.
Yeah, that's gonna be. I don't want to ruin it though.
Oh yeah, that's true. It looks like a pig.
Okay.
It's so funny.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna go the other side as well.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Ooh. I don't even know yet what the texture is. It looks like white
go
chocolate.
the other side?
Yeah, alright.
Ooh. I don't know if we can open it somehow.
Oh wow. As in like, yeah. Look at that. So it's lychee and raspberry, right? Oh, it's got something green there as well.
Oh, at the bottom.
Okay, let's try and time to test.
Ooh. I want to get all the flavours together.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. So a mixture of flavours there.
Yeah.
Quite strong.
Strong? Like, strong of what? Strawberry or lychee or something else?
I think it's the light. I don't know. It's a weird mixture here.
Okay, let's just see.
I think it's more of your thing rather than my thing.
Let's see. Look at that. It's got a lot of stuff going on there. It's okay. We're gonna tell you the rating in the comments down here. We're destroying this little piglet. Not sure. The flavors are very interesting. I'm not really getting the lychee flavor. It's like tastes like cream. Oh, it's milk tea with tea. Right, next one, black sesame. So this is black sesame hazelnut tart, black sesame mousse, hazelnut praline, chocolate cake, and chocolate crunch tart.
Ooh, it's quite hard tart at the bottom.
Oh.
Oh, this
Oh,
might,
is it? Is it quite hard to cut?
Yeah. I'm not sure this might work with plastic.
Yeah, it doesn't. Guys, these cakes should never be cut with a plastic knife because. Oh wow!
Wow, check this out.
That definitely looks very, very interesting.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh wow, this is a.
it's a challenge. It's a challenge, but you know we're trying it for you guys. She's gonna do it.
I think we're done.
wow.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see. Let's open that up. Oh wow, look at this. We've really, made a mess, but hey, it's about the flavor. Right, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and get all of these in.
It's maybe a bit hard to get the bottom bit.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
So, again, lots going on here. Go on. Oh wow. Oh my god. A lot of flavors, right?
Much better.
All right. Very different, unique flavors here.
Look at that.
As you can see, we like this one's pretty much demolished.
It was good.
I'm really, really intrigued about the black sesame mousse. I'm definitely going to recreate that. Thumbs up. So this is a choux bun, right?
Yes, it is. But look, it's almost like it's got cream cheese on it.
Oh wow, look at that. Jeez.
Wow. Never seen anything like that.
No, I don't think so. Whoa, let me just pull that apart. Does that look at the amount of cream? I think we're gonna have to buy that one. That is just literally oozing out all that cream. Whoa. Okay, cheers.
Ooh, it's falling out.
You just go for it. It's gonna be a messy one.
It's quite nice actually.
Yeah.
It's different, but nice. Not anything I've tasted before.
Oh wow, that is really nice. It's very light. This is very delicious. It's got very nice crunchy pastry, as you can tell, on top as well. I think they've put a cookie on top or something because it's got the crunch, and the cream is really light. That's like whipped cream with black sesame, so it's very, very light flavor of it. Okay, next one. Cookies and cream and tea all in one, yeah? What else do you want? I'm assuming it would be as filled
Yeah.
as the other one. We did a good job last time cutting it.
And this one is
Is it a bit harder?
ooh.
Oh, I can see yellow stuff.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Ooh.
wow.
Look at the colours here.
Oh my god. Whoa. That's,
Okay.
oh my god,
Ooh.
that looks insane. Wow. How fat is it? Jesus. Look at that. That's just crazy. Squeeze it a little bit.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, let's try this. Cheers. Go for it.
Wow.
Is it? What is it like? It's just not what I expected it to be.
It's fine.
Right, I'm gonna try. Oh. That's really different.
It is, isn't it?
Not sure I'm a fan.
Yeah.
Oh. No. Oh my god. This is so good. Right, last one in this bakery.
Last one to try.
Last one, oh god.
Show us the face. Kind of
Oh,
cute.
it's actually perfect for Easter, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Easter bunny.
Cute.
Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna break it in half. Oh, it's very soft. Okay, that
looks
fresh.
Okay, that looks good to me.
Oh, it's very chewy and very.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that's pretty good.
You've got purple macaron, you've got vanilla macaron, and then you've got the, I guess, black sesame filling inside. Right, I'm gonna try this.
Yeah.
You know what? This really works.
Okay.
This is amazing. It's got white chocolate as well. Okay, I'm a fan. Failed attempt number 2. Go. I want to see what you think because I love macarons.
It's quite nice actually.
It's almost the flavor develops, right?
Yeah, it does actually.
Mm.
What's that in the middle?
It's black sesame.
It's really nice actually.
She did say it was the best. We believed her.
Quite flavorful.
Just want to show there's always a queue to this place. Queue all the way down. And this is the menu. Thoughts? You're very full?
Yeah, very actually. We just had brunch as well.
Yeah, we did just have brunch. And then,
But I had some good choices.
yeah, now are you excited? We're going, next stop is Ansel's Bakery.
Dominique Ansel.
Dominic's
very
Ansel
famous.
is very famous, yeah.
We just need to walk it off now.
Yep, let's go. And there we are, Dominique Ansel. Let's check it out. Oh, there is a big one. Well, the queue is ridiculously big inside and outside, that we have to queue outside now to wait probably about an hour or so. So yeah, we're gonna see. So we are inside. They sell loads of different little things like that, and then we're definitely gonna try this very famous frozen s'mores. They have cookie shots. Obviously, look at that macaron selection and the pastries. We're gonna go further. You can see how they're making everything here. So apparently this is the best seller. Yeah. And we have to wait. Oh. for our name there. Oh wow, look at this. There's bakery behind the scenes. I'm guessing this is all butter. I think it is just butter. You can watch this for hours. So here are our winners. Look at that. Very interesting. Excited to try this. This is liquid hazelnut praline. This is their famous frozen marshmallow that's fried, and I think it's got some filling inside here. Just look how pretty it is here. And then we've got the famous, can't remember what it was called. We'll show you in a bit. Wow.
Oh damn it, I've
Ooh. Don't have a stick anymore, so I'm just gonna. Oh my god. Whoa. I can taste the vanilla ice cream more than anything. I'm gonna try marshmallow on this one. I like the crunchy bit on marshmallow, isn't it?
Yeah.
I actually love marshmallow. It's good. Very different. Different, isn't it?
Yeah. An interesting combination, yeah.
Yeah, it's like honey. I can taste honey as well.
It's the crunch from the chocolate as well, don't I?
Yeah. I personally don't like cold chocolate, but that's just like my preference.
Yeah.
And also, you don't expect that when you bite into it. I feel it's going to be something softer, but it's definitely very original. I can give you that. Oh wow, I want trouble.
What? Right.
This is the dilemma of cutting all the desserts. We're starting.
Right.
We're gonna use the pine one. This is individual mini chocolates. Look, I think you can just pick one out. Oh, ta-da! Oh, look at that. That's a lot of work from technicalities point of view.
I almost don't want to ruin this piece of art, but oh, it's actually quite easy to cut into.
Oh,
And
oh wow, it's got white cream or something.
there's gingerbread inside. Ooh.
Oh wow, very interesting. I might just take that away actually for now.
So we can see what this looks like inside. Oh,
Oh wow.
wow, it's quite moussey, so
Oh wow, let's see. It's so
see
hot.
this one.
Oh wow, so we've got a sponge, something else, we've got the cream, and then we've got chocolate. Okay, Flori,
I'll dig in.
let's try. Go for it. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, see.
Seems like a lot going on there.
Yeah, it does, but it's very easy to cut compared to.
Yeah.
Wow. Very gingery.
Oh god, you said you like ginger. I'm not a big fan. Is it too gingery?
Too gingery for me.
Oh god, if it's too gingery for you, I don't know if it's gonna be too gingery for me, alright. I'm gonna try and give this like a fair shot. This is a big giant bite actually. I don't know if this is gonna fit in. Oh.
Still a big bite.
You know what? I thought it was gonna be more gingery. It tastes like Christmas. That's stuff on my face.
A little bit on the lip. Yeah.
Wow, interesting. I need to try out the elements separately. Not sure it's like my thing, you know.
I've got a little bit more on the lip. The other side. This side.
So next one, this is a liquid praline. It's got bits around. It looks like it's got some chocolate base, chocolate circle, and salted caramel or caramel glazing with some gold spray. Okay, go on. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Is it hard to cut again?
Ooh,
Oh yeah, I can see the liquids coming, sort of.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, definitely a lot of caramel.
Oh wow,
there.
it's again a bit of a.
There we did it. Oh wow, look at that. It's definitely oozed out. There's a lot going on again. Right, are you ready to try?
Yes. Let's try and get a bit of everything.
Oh, interesting. It's got like a sponge in there or something.
Yeah.
It's very hard to cut, guys.
Very rich.
Yeah, it looks very rich.
Very nutty.
Yeah, you love it.
Praline.
I mean, I love that as well. Ooh, right, let's
Oh my
try
gosh.
this.
That's good.
Let's just see.
It's quite heavy then.
Yeah, it looks heavy.
To be fair, we've had quite a lot today anyway, so.
Just look at that. Look at that. Okay. Oh wow. It's actually really rich.
I told you.
Sickening. I think we had too much stuff today.
Yeah, maybe.
It's really good. I think I forgot the base though. By accident.
But you need to try it. Go.
I'll just break it in my hand.
Yep.
It looks like chocolate. It's very salty. Whoa. Have you tried the base on its own?
I tried it together with everything else.
Yeah. No, it's good. Very rich. Very rich indeed.
Ready?
Okay, last one. This was the bestseller apparently over here.
Yeah. Let's see.
Got weird crunch base. Don't know what's inside. Right?
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Yep. Okay, let's see.
Oh. Oh, there's nothing in there, but it just looks very. Oh, it's very storage.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's kind of soft and crispy, so I'm gonna go ahead.
Yeah, I'll try it.
I'm ready. This is really good. Oh my god, do you know what it is?
Is it really good?
Croissant with some sort of, I love pastries, so I guess. Oh my god, look at that. Look at all these layers. Okay, this is very good.
Try this.
So good, right?
Top layers, really.
And then it's like so buttery and soft inside.
And crunchy at the same time.
Oh my god, this is the best thing so far.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay guys, we are actually dying.
Yeah, I don't think we can eat anymore.
We were planning to go to another bakery. I just don't think it can happen.
I'm not sure that's gonna happen.
Maybe we go tomorrow, we shall see. I think we could potentially go